For those of you living in the real world, you know what it's like to struggle financially. When that paycheck barely covers the cost of rent. When every bank refuses to lend you money, preventing future investment opportunities. When you have to watch others travel and enjoy the world, while you sit at home wondering whether that streaming subscription was even worth it. Stop letting time pass you by. Don't allow money to control your lifestyle. As a result, I present to you Cultivated Wealth. We create well-structured professional resumes tailored to your career objectives. We offer budget analysis to help you save money and manage your expenses. We also provide credit repair services. It's time to take financial stress off your shoulders. It's time to return your attention back to what really matters: family, your beliefs, and most importantly, your dreams. What are you waiting for? Make the change today. Get involved and join the movement. It's that simple.